Oh, my fault. God damn, I was trying to start it. That's my fault. My fault. I was going to start at 7:30 today. I had to go instead of 7. Oh, we here. We here. We here. So for 30, first of all, I gotta break down these charts, man. I'm trying to break down these charts, but yeah, I'm here. Only way I see structure is GJ. I might answer that joint again. I don't know why I took profits from here. I entered was good, my boy. I entered this one right here, and once it came like right here again, I took profits, but I re-entered. I'm kind of upset that I took profits from this. I'm kind of upset. That's my first fucking win, but I could have just held to up here. Let me see, like look at the. Yeah, I could have just held because I got it going like way past up here. I don't think. I think this is just a little misunderstanding. But it can still go down. If it go below this, I just wouldn't touch it. Before below this yellow, I personally wouldn't touch it. That's why my stop loss is somewhere down here. If it passed this, not this yellow, probably like down here. I still got it bullish 4 hour wise bullish. Boom, boom. This was it. So GJ I entered again. As you can see, GJ. Boom. Oh, I went break even on 30 too. Look at this 30. I think I deleted it. I think I was trying to sell. I don't what was it? It was yesterday. I think I was trying to sell. It went up. It was right here. It went up. I was trying to sell right here. Boom. It came back up, came down, got back out at break even, then came back up. Yeah, I was trying to sell. But for this joint, I like this one. Yeah, I think hey, I was trying to sell yesterday. I just went break even. That's all right. Now I drew this yesterday. I was explaining what I think the market gonna do. It's either if I see sales, it's gonna sell back to here. If I see buys, I would like to buy above this. Like everything below here, it sells to me. Um, what I got it doing. Hopefully, I ain't gonna lie. I wanted to buy. I personally don't want to sell 30. I personally don't want to sell it. But if it sells, it just sells. But I personally wanted to buy. Like, I hope it breaks this so I can start buying. But it's a strong bullish candle. But hopefully it start buying. Hopefully it start buying. This jump been running. Hopefully, if it do start buying, I start buying up here and I just hold till I really this is a nice hold too. Because if you could buy from here, you could just wait. Like it might take a long time. Hopefully, I could pass the challenge and I could just wait, take a little profits, and I just like take a little like 200 and then just wait till it come to new highs. It might take a year, it might take like 2-3 months, but just wait. Because they can't this is already a big dip for US 30. That's a major dip. Now, yeah, it is a nice major dip. It can go down more, but if it starts seeing bearish momentum, I just wouldn't exit. But I do. It's still selling. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. I wish I had that real money to do it in, but I ain't trying to put my real money in yet until I pass this challenge. But what I see from this is I just hope it like if it sells, it's just gonna sell. But I wanted to buy. Right now, it's in sell momentum. I was trying to sell yesterday, it didn't work. What I sell today? Boom. I would like to see a break of structure. Like right now, it's just on some range and stuff. So we'll probably see what it is tomorrow. Look at Nas. Nas. Let's see. Nas. Nas is kind. it's like I still want to buy. That's what I don't like about 30 and Nas. Like 30 dropped off so hard, but Nas, I would it didn't really drop. That's why I sold right here off Nas, bro. Did I tell you I was up like crazy right here? I was up crazy off Nas. I think I sold Nas like right here, like right here. I sold Nas. I sold Nas over here. Once it broke this, I said, yeah. I was like, once it broke this, I said it's gonna tank. It's gonna take like to the downside. I'm up like I ain't gonna lie, you probably are disappointed. I'm up like 2 bands off the joint. I'm up like 2 bands. I'm telling you that 2 bands went to zero so quick. Let me show you what happened, bro. Look. I was up like 2 bands right here, bro. I looked at it. I'm up like 2 bands. I'm just smiling. I'm like, man, I'm about to pass this joint easy. This joint about to melt to the bottom. I look back at my account. Boom. That joint went all the way up. That joint took me out. I said, damn. I was up 2. So I'm like, damn. I said, if it melt, shit, I'm gonna have like 4. I'm gonna have 4. I'm like, it's gonna melt. Yeah, he fucking with it. That's why I'm like, man, bro. I thought, bro, because it's right here. I'm like, this shit is going to melt. And it just didn't melt, man. It just didn't melt. Man, I'm disappointed. Once it did this in 5, it did this in like 3 minutes, bro. You looking at the profits, you smiling. I was up early too. I was up at like 4 or 5. And then I didn't even look at it. I think it just went up. And then I had my joint at break even. Thank the Lord. Because when I entered like right here. Like somewhere like right here. It was like, I think it was right here. It was right here. Boom. I entered right here, like 950, a 10. And then I was up like 2 bands. I'm like, it can't come back up there. But in all honesty, it can still sell though. It can still sell. This don't still can't sell though. Let me see. Let me look at the hour. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, this joint still can sell. I'd rather buy it though. Yeah, because I probably would have. This would have pissed me off though. Like in all honesty, I would probably sell. Like right here. You can all honesty sell, but if it doesn't, like, I will have this shit melting still. Like, cause look at the daily. The daily, this is a strong joint. So if it does sell, this shit is fading to that leash right here. That's how I look at it. It gotta like, unless it's a fake out. This was the fake. But if it do melt, it's gotta melt. I would have bought somewhere like right here. Like if it was like today, I probably would have bought right here. Bought right here, down, up. Probably would have closed the market out with some profit. Go. I just bought. Why? Because I strongly believe it's gonna go up. I just think it's gonna go up. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe this could be a fake out. This could be possibly a fake out because it is daily. It just wick. It didn't go over. I buy this shit again. I ain't gonna lie. I buy this shit again. I'm at a 0.3. I'll lose 600 if it hits stop loss. But I don't like this. I don't like this candle right here. Yeah. That day trading. Yeah, I just look for the best setups. And I can't even day trade no more. I don't even like doing it. Now turning 10K into 50 and a little slight little bag every day. So yeah, that's a slight bag right there. That's easy money too, though, because you got 10K to play with. That gold, like gold. I can still re-enter gold low key. Comes here, buy. I'll buy again if it could come here and break above. It's like I want to buy gold so much times that I just have to trade this once, but I don't know. I'll put another point 0.3 in right here because I will only lose what 600, 700. I'll lose like 1,000 if it hits stop loss, but I'll win. I just win a fucking challenge. I don't mind losing 1,000. It was 1,000 to win. Even if it hits right here, I'll probably be fucking done. Like, yeah. Well, I tell you, once I pass, I'm get my real account back. I just want to pass so I can start just funding it more instead of. I just want to fund my real account. That's all I want to do. And I know I could pass it. Like once I start taking my time, bro. I only like lost 2 trades. My first step, my second step. I just won one, but I lost two. But the GJ, I could have held. I just wanted some profit. Yeah, I just want to fund it. That's all I want to do. There's a little 100K account. I could make like 2 bands, keep throw a little 1,000 in, keep something for myself. Like I'll enter this. Boom. Oh my gosh. Look how much. It's gonna come up here eventually, but I probably won't even have to hold to there. Yeah. And then GJ. For GJ. I'm mad I took out from here, but off the hour, it kind of broke structure. I still think it's gonna break. Why? Because it's not breaking now. Like if it wanted to, I be telling some shit like it doesn't. It's more up than down. Like granted, it's ranging, but it's still more up than down. So I bought GJ right here. Maybe if it could break out, come back, I could buy another GJ. I still been studying this pair. This shit, it been working low key. Like with a enter here, boom, 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 boom. I probably would have bought another entry. What was the last one I used? I think it was Henko. I think I ain't used a broker since I got this challenge though. It was Henko. It was something I don't know. I don't think it. I used Henko before though. I forgot what that shit called. I might have to look at it. It was either Henko or something else though. Made me like a little 1,800 and I was gone. I was about to say, did I enter this shit? This looked like something I would have entered. I just want once I get this funded, I'm good. I'm kind of upset I exit this GJ trade. I was up. I'm upset at myself, man. It's just GJ just been bullshitting. It's been following trend good. It's just been bullshitting. Like it's doing this nasty move, like on the lower time frames, but on the higher, it looks good though. Like it's just doing what structure is supposed to tell it to do. I was just not being patient. Gold. I look, you want gold to hit here. I gotta buy. And I ran out of. I forgot I bought a 2-year subscription on Trading View. That shit just ran out, so I can't even spam alerts. Only because it was like 3 alerts, but that's all you really need is 3 alerts. I remember back then they didn't used to let you use alerts until you bought it. But as long as they let me use 3, I don't give a fuck. I'm like, I ain't buying that shit no more. I don't really need it. Like this one, I only need alert for this because I might re-enter gold. Thinking about entering right there. Nas. I really don't want to. I really just don't want to sell no more. I just don't want to sell. This pissed me off. I look. This low key just pissed me off. I don't know. Everything about 30 just pissed at me off. Yeah, I want. Yeah, I just don't want to sell. Like, granted, it do look like sales. It can keep selling too, but I just don't want to sell. Like, you could just not trade this shit. Go. I like how it's going down right now. Hopefully, I pray to God it comes back up though. Like, if it breaks down here, I'm gonna be somewhat confused because I'm be like, I'm down. I'll probably be down like maybe like 300, like right here, 200, 300. But if it could come back up, buy. for sure. No, I like it. If it could go down and come back up, I like it for sure. Oh yeah, man. Turn up for your birthday next week, man. And then just man, I feel like I'm locked in, but shit, I feel like I barely do anything. I feel like the less I'm on the charts, I just set the alerts and let it hit. But yeah, lock in, get that paper. But once I get this paper, it's over. I'm gonna just fund the account, long-term trades, fun, real account. But yeah, man, turn up real quick and then lock in. Damn, what the hell is so smoky for? Hold up. Yeah, it's smoky. Ooh, I left on that oven. Man, I'm tripping. I should have did this after. Nigga. Yeah, I left on that oven. I forgot. Shit. Yeah, I was probably set the house on fire. I left on the oven. I'm like, why the fuck is it so hot? I like, damn, it's hot in this joint. I'm like, man, I ain't got no heater on. I'm like, what the hell is so hot? Yeah, about to blow down the house. I remember I fell asleep with the oven. That shit was hot, making the house hot. At least the oven, one of them shit, you could leave on for fucking hours. You ain't gonna burn down the house. I'm like, but I noticed that, Joe. I'm like, why is it so hot in here? And it's still all right, yeah, but yeah. So for GJ, oh, and I watched the man. Ever since you brought them games up too, I ain't been sports, but I need to go back to the sports betting. Yeah, I'm telling you, man. That oven, I be waiting for the preheater. Oh man, I've been watching them games too. Once you brought it up, man, I started watching the first game I watched the other day. I think I watched Luca drop 60. That nigga was just making everything. But who played tonight? I probably tune in for a little bit. Yeah, I don't know. Oh yeah. Atlanta is my sleeper team. Atlanta. I always be right. Like I said last year. I swear to God, I said Pacers was my sleeper team. Atlanta is my sleeper team this year. I don't know why. I just like Atlanta, bro. Atlanta look like they remind me of the Pacers, but like watered down a little bit. I feel like what is Atlanta? I think Atlanta like fifth seed or sixth. Yeah, Atlanta. Shit, they about to be fifth. They sixth right now. Atlanta, my sleeper team. I feel like Atlanta could whoop someone ass real quick. Magic, I don't know. I start watching on. I like Atlanta. I just like good basketball. Atlanta showed me the best. Bro, I'm telling you, bro, the East kind of weak. I really think anyone could win in the East. In all honesty, I want to see Charlotte. I want to see Charlotte in the playoffs though. I want to see Charlotte. The East is so weak. It's like you don't know who gonna win. I like Atlanta. I don't know why. I feel like Atlanta could do some shit like Eastern Conference Finals, then lose, like on some Trey Young shit. And then I don't give a fuck what nobody say. I'm still not a believer in OKC. I don't know. It's just they got a Shea and a bunch of randoms. They not randoms, but it's like that's how I feel. I like San Antonio. You know, I always like Denver. I don't really like the Houston. I like the Suns. I fought with my boy Kawhi with the Clippers. But yeah, man, I have to get back in it. I'm about to see who the hell play tonight. We can watch the game after this. Bro, the Lakers playing right. I'm about to tune into this Hawks game. I'm watching a ball. Who Boston right now? But I was watching. Who was I watching yesterday? Boston. And who was they playing the other day? I watched that. I fell asleep on that shit. Bro, who was Boston playing? That game was so bad. I don't remember. Boston was playing somebody. I think it was the it was the Timberwolves, nigga on the it was the Timberwolves. I was watching that game the other day. I was like, this game is so bad. I gotta stop hating, man. I gotta stop hating. But OKC and Celtics. I see why. I'm about to. I want to tune into this. That's not a bad game. I kind of do want to tune. I might tune into that game right now too. I ain't got much to say today, to be honest. I'm about to tune in. I was gonna say I want to tap into the Hawks, but I might tap into the same game you watching. He said Houston. I didn't even see that. He's talking about Houston. Houston is trash. I don't know, bro. I think something wrong with KD. I don't think KD. I'm not even trying to be on no. I don't think KD supposed to be like. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. KD just. It's not. I don't know what it is with KD. It's like KD, like. I don't feel like he makes the team better. I just feel like KD's like. I kept saying this, and people kept thinking I was kind of disrespectful. I feel like KD's just like the super ultimate role player. I just kept saying that. Yeah, like he just like he can't be like. I don't know. KD could be number one, but he can't be number one. Like how in the Warriors. Like Steph number one, but KD, yeah, you gonna have the most points, but Steph is still number one on this team. Like KD, he just give me like the best role player alive type shit. Cause it ain't no one in Houston that could like Sangoon. If you're not number one, y'all not really gonna win. KD can't be number one. I don't know. KD is like, yeah, you gonna drop your 27. You're gonna be efficient, but I don't know. That's why I have to understand why Braun better. Like he get his teammates involved. He gonna do that defense. He gonna change the game. It's like KD, you just dropping buckets, but it's like, what else, nigga? Damn. Like Braun gonna give, the little shit be mattering. Braun gonna give them corner niggas. Braun gonna give them corner niggas confidence. Like he gonna give a young nigga like Rui confidence. You gotta go in there and shoot that shit. KD just probably like, man, this fuck nigga keep missing. KD probably like, man, just score, nigga. Braun probably talking to them. I'm gonna hit you in your sweet spot. I know you want to shoot right there. Man, that shit go a long way. Cause I used to think like in 2018, I used to think KD was better than Braun, but I'm like, okay, I understand why Braun is somewhat better than KD. KD just get buckets. He don't care about nothing else. That's how my man Kawhi is. I don't know. I fought with Kawhi a little bit more. Kawhi is a bucket. Kawhi a bucket just like KD. Kawhi is a fucking bucket. I think he averaged like 28. Kawhi is a bucket. That nigga, I don't know. Kawhi, he's a bucket too. But like Kawhi, he was number one when he won. But it's like I don't that Raptor shit. That shit was luck. And I fought with my nigga Claw. It was just y'all was going against a bunch of injuries. But man, that's part of the game. So I can't say it's luck. That's part of the game. But yeah, I'm waiting for this game to load. I'll probably load up this game. I'll be on the law tomorrow, man. Just tap in tomorrow. Hopefully, I'm gonna do a new segment. I might do new segments. I know I'm dropping. I'm trying to get more into the top. I think I'm almost at 100 followers. I just gotta keep posting. I gotta keep posting, man. I gotta keep posting on the top. Cause every time I post, I get hella like I get like 3 followers. Like yesterday, I just made a random video. I just get 3 followers. Oh, good advice. Like I fuck with the talk because the talk support. But it's like, man, I be forgetting a post up there. I was supposed to be doing a series, but I'm gonna post on the night. Cause you could get 100 followers easy. I just be bullshitting. I should just post like every day, low key. I think I'm a no next month. I know I do by segments. Next month I'm gonna just post every fucking day. Let's see if that works. I'm gonna try to post every day. I'm gonna just write it in the back. Just write post every day. But yeah, I'm gonna be on this joint tomorrow, my boy. I'm gonna tune into this game too. I'm gonna tap in. I'm gonna tell you how this shit go. All right, tuning into the Hawks game later too.